Welcome back, 18! As the aircraft glided above the Philippine arena, its banner proclaiming "The world is yours, SB19" became a vision taking flight. Sponsored by Kent & Kindle, this fan project elevated admiration into something extraordinary, turning the sky into a grand stage where dreams and destiny converge. There's something poetic about seeing SB19's name carried by the wind, soaring above thousands of cheering fans. It mirrors their journey, their relentless pursuit of greatness, their unwavering determination to carve a path that once seemed impossible. Just as they've defied gravity with their artistry, this moment symbolizes their limitless potential reflected in the vast sky stretching beyond the horizon. But this is not just about SB19, it's about every 18 who has believed, supported, and stood by them through every high and low. For 18, this was more than a grand tribute. It was an affirmation that they have always believed in the limitless heights SB19 could reach. It was a visual representation of the hope, pride, and support that continues to propel the group forward. As the aircraft glided across the sky, it didn't just carry a message. It carried the weight of a movement, a legacy in motion, a dream expanding beyond borders. Fandom gestures come in many forms, but Kent & Kindle's vision ensured that this one would linger in the hearts of many. Because when you love deeply, when you believe fully, you don't just celebrate success, you send it soaring, name ascend, above the roaring crowd, above doubt, above limitation. That banner was a reflection of the community, of the love that knows no bounds, the faith that transcends barriers, and the unshakable conviction that SB19's music and message deserve to reach every corner of the world. This is a declaration that dreams, when fueled by passion and perseverance, will always rise.